Welcome to the tutorial on the process of setting up an optical store that will use the virtual reality application. The first step is to go to Entities and register the optical store. In Entities, click on New Entity and fill in the form. The required fields are the type of entity, select below who it is located, distributor or optical chain, write the name of the optical store, and select the time zone in which the optical store is located. The second step is to go to Licenses and reassign the package to the optical shop. In Licenses, click on Reassign Package. Select the entity and the type of package to assign. The modal will show the available packages. Select one and confirm. The third step is to go to Settings to get the application credentials. In Settings, find the entity and display the content. Select the VR App tab and you will find the app credentials. These credentials are the ones to be inserted in the application configuration menu. When you log in, you will see the functionality buttons, but the license package consumption will not start yet. The license package starts consuming when you enter one of the functionality buttons. The fourth step is to go to Users and create the user of the optical store that will enter the back office to visualize the results. In Users, click on New User and fill in the form with name, email, and username. It is very important that you select the optical store entity to which this user belongs. When you save, an email will be sent to the email address. Clicking on the link will open the browser to create the password. These 4 steps complete the process. These separate steps allow you to pre-configure the VR headset before sending it to your customer. For example, you can perform the first 3 steps at your headquarters and send the VR goggles to your customer ready to use. The back-office user creation step can be done later. In this way, you can agree with your customer the best time to send the password creation email. The tutorial is finished. We hope it has been useful.